Hi, my name is Annalee Johnson, and today I'm going to be just sort of showing you and teaching you how to conduct an experiment with a solo cup and two rubber bands. This is a science experiment, and it also integrates music. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to take the thin rubber band and we're just going to wrap it around the solo cup like this so that it's like going over the top part where you drink out of. And then we're going to take the thick rubber band and we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to make sure that they're parallel to each other. It's okay if they cross on the bottom, but on the top they can't be crossing. They need to be as parallel as you can make them, and that's how they make the sound, because when you pluck them, which is what we're going to be doing, when you pluck them, the sound will reverberate off the bottom part of the cup and it will project outward. So what we're going to be doing with this experiment is we're testing and we're going to be plucking these rubber bands at different strengths to determine how pitch changes. How the pitch changes. And the students can hypothesize what they think before they do it, and then they do it. So I'm going to pluck the thin rubber band first. Okay, so it was kind of a medium pitch, and then I'm going to pluck the thick rubber band. Okay, so I notice right off the bat that the thick rubber band has a lot of a deeper pitch than the thin rubber band, which has a higher pitch. So then we're going to test it with different strengths, and this is going to change the volume. So with the soft versus hard, so that changed the pitch too. So that's something that I didn't even think of, is that it would change the pitch. So here we go with this thicker band. And then, so that really changed the pitch. So the students have the opportunity to explore with this, and they can, pluck different things. There are different, I have all these different rubber bands right here. They're all different thicknesses. Like this one right here is it's a little bit thinner than the red, but thicker than the thin yellow. And so there's just different rubber bands. They can do different things with it. They can also test out, and this really isn't the point of this experiment, but they can test out by going like this. And it makes the same sound, but it's something that they can test out and they can explore. And then also, once they explore and once they write down their hypotheses for these and they do the experiment with the plucking of the rubber bands, I want the students to create a song, and it can be any song. They can recreate a song with the rubber bands, or they can create their own song with the rubber bands, and it's just something that is a fun thing for them to do as an extension, as well as integrating music into it. And so, I'm not going to do that right now, but that would be an extension for the students to do that I think would be really fun, and it would integrate music into it. So I hope that this was cool for y'all to learn about. I know it wasn't in the book, but I did this with my students in 4th grade, and they thought it was the most fun thing in the whole world. And I just thought I want to share something that I personally have done that I know is fun, and it relates to pitch. It also relates to vibration. It relates to volume. And so this pretty much relates to all of the 3 categories that were represented in the book. So thank you, and I hope you have a great day/evening. Bye.